Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm here, I'm keep working, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm upcycling this set of bedside tables that I've grabbed for a bargain price from Facebook Marketplace. Let me know in the comments if you can guess how much I paid for it. I'm curious if you guys can guess it, and then you will find out by the end of this video how much I paid for this set. But without further ado, I'm just gonna get started because this needs a fair bit of work. I'll show you why. These bedside tables are solid wood furniture, but as you can see, they are pretty used up. The tops need a lot of attention because there is a loads of watermarks on them and the wax has come off from it as well, so definitely needs a lot of attention. And then as you can see, it's been probably chewed up here, I guess. That's my best guess, or scratched up by a pet. But yeah, as you can tell, it's got a fair bit of damage, but nothing that we can't fix. I'm really excited to see how this will come up. So as you can see, I have changed into cleaning gear and working gear. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I will be using an elbow grease and spray and clean down these bedside tables, because yeah, we just want to remove all the grease before we are starting to sand, just so that the sanding pans are not going to get clogged up. And for that I'm just using the spray, a cloth, and then I've got this old ice cream container for the handles, which I am going to just remove as I'm cleaning along. So now that I have cleaned it and I removed the almost all of the handles except this one here, I'm going to let it dry, because obviously I use some moisture for the cleaning and the wood needs drying. And after that's dried up, I am going to be attempting to scrape off. I think scraping is going to work here because the finish is very loose on it. So I'm going to be scraping off the remaining finish, and after that I'm going to be sanding it. I think an 80 grit sandpaper is going to be enough for first. Hopefully 120, but probably 80 grit, just because the pine wood can be really difficult to remove all the wax from. Some reason it, and wax and finish from, because some reason it just doesn't want to give up on it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be scraping, and then I'm going to be using an 80 grit sandpaper to remove the finish from it, and then after that I'm just going to up it until between 120 and 180. I usually tend to stop at 180 because I want to make sure that the wood is open enough so that it's going to be able to absorb the stain or the wax. And then in between the coats I'm going to use a higher grit, probably 220 or probably 320. So yeah, let's leave this to dry, and then while it dries I am going to be tackling this one remaining knob which did not want to come off no matter what I did. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So as you can see, I have managed to win over the knob. I managed to remove it. It wasn't easy, but it came off. I will have to replace the screw, but that's the least of my problem. So now I'm going to be using my carbide scraper, and I'm going to remove the finish from the bedside tables. So let's get started with that. The next thing I'm going to do is I will wax the entire bedside table, and to do that I am using a furniture finishing wax by Rust-Oleum, which is this product. I've used this before and I really like it. So it's a clear finish, so it's not going to change the color of the bedside tables, but it's going to be able to protect it. So I'm just going to do that now. And here is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I think it came out really well, and it is a huge lot different than how it looked before. The handles complement the color really nicely, and this color is a beautiful grayish brown color, gives it a really nice and rustic look. Look at these beautiful wood grain, how the stain makes them pop and stand out. I really love it. Let me know guys what you think of this transformation. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We'll come back with another video in a couple of weeks time, so be sure to subscribe so that you will see when I will post the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.